Hey Steve, it was a great performance and a great result in the end, and we got what we deserved, I think.
Yeah, I think we did in the end. I'd say first 20 minutes, I thought we looked very nervous. I thought we looked a little bit panicky. Didn't really settle, but after 20 minutes we started to settle, and I thought we controlled the rest of the first half there, without either team really creating too much. And then second half again, it was a little bit scrappy, but I thought we controlled for the most, but we created the most chances and the more clear-cut chances, I'd say. Without really making the keeper make a save, which happened a little bit at Llandudno, so which is what we'll address in training on Thursday, as well going into Friday against Holywell. But on the whole, I think we're probably the better team on the night, and great for the Seagull fans, to see a penalty shootout.
It was a great climax to the game with the great goal from Dylan, and just before that he'd done an amazing run as well. Looked like we'd won it, and then they went up the other end and got a scrappy goal, really. Yeah, well, it's happened 3 times. It's happened 2 times in pre-season. We scored and then we conceded again, and we just talked about it there. But you talk about Dylan's goal. The whole play for the goal was really good. Really pleasing. And that's what I brought him in to do. He's an exciting player. But I thought all the team, we looked solid tonight. Apart from switching off that final minute, which you're always vulnerable after you just scored after half time. Key moments of the game, and the last 5 minutes there, we switched off, and it can happen again. So we'll address that as well. But I'm pleased for the players and the fans. They've worked hard, and I think on the whole they deserve that tonight. Have you been practicing penalties? Because they were 5 quality penalties. Yeah,
penalties are lottery. We haven't practiced them. They're a lottery. If you're confident, go up. All I said to him, I said, just be positive. Be confident. Pick your spot, and to be fair, there were 5.
Yeah, they were really good.
Stands.
Yeah, and it was great that Ryan saved the first one as well. It gave us a bit of impetus.
He was close to the last one as well, but great save on the first one. So which gives us that lift. And then the 5 that stepped up were confident, and they were good pens.
Right. Well, congratulations. Enjoy your pint, and see you on Friday.
Yeah, see you on Friday, and we look forward to the draw on Thursday. So all the best.
Thank you.